Hello, everybody. I'm Andy. I'm the founder of Timeqube, and I want to tell you more about Timeqube Online, the application that we've been working on for the last 6 months, and now it's ready for you to use. So in order to put in a context, which might be the context that you have yourself professionally or maybe personally, I'm going to tell you how I use the Timeqube. So I have a lot of meetings throughout the day. All of them are online remote meetings. I'm using different platforms. Sometimes it's Google, sometimes it's Zoom, sometimes might be Microsoft Teams even. But what I do for scheduling, I use Google Calendar for scheduling all of these. So might be helpful if you're also using Google Calendar, as we are currently integrating with Google Calendar. But what I do when I come to the office in the morning, what I do is I look at my upcoming meetings this day. And I can see all the different meetings with meeting links listed here. So I know how many meetings I'm going to have in the day. And I have one problem, which is basically perhaps a productivity problem. Perhaps it's a matter of memory. Is that I don't really remember that all those meetings that I have throughout the day. And I need a reminder. Notifications never worked for me, really. They disappeared. They didn't show up correctly for some calendars. With Timeqube, I always know when I have the meeting because the notification is there. It's in one of the corners of my screen, something that can be set up in the preferences. And the notification will only show up for those meetings that I have defined in preferences. So now, for example, I'm starting my weekly Timeqube meeting. I can just click join to automatically go to the meeting link, which then opens in my preferred browser, just like this. And I can have my meeting. The other thing that Timeqube Online does is to time the meeting according to the same rules that we applied to the hardware Timeqube. And now you can see the Timeqube here. I can maybe move it to another corner of the screen so you can see it better. So here's the Timeqube. It uses colors, right, to show the passing of time. So green a lot of time, yellow halfway there, and red 85% of the time has already passed, which is tremendously helpful, especially with those remote meetings that run over time quite often. With Timeqube, I always know how much time I have left. So when the colors change here, there's going to be a gentle shake of the cube that draws my attention from whatever I'm doing to the cube, and I can see how much time I have left in the meeting. And then I can steer the meeting differently if I see that I don't have enough time. If I had a timer or an hourglass, like some people do, there would be this constant sensation of stress. With Timeqube, as we have proven with the hardware product, there is no stress. You just remain fully aware of passing time and know at the milestones how much time has passed throughout the meeting. So I hope that if you guys are using Google Calendar for scheduling your meetings, that you can test it out. Go to timeqube.online. The link is below this video. Try it, use it with your meetings. Tell us what you think. Tell us if it's useful. Tell us if it saves you time, if it saves you hustle. This is why we created the Timeqube. And that's it for today. Thank you.